Are you looking for a low-profile mechanical keyboard? In this video, I will show you the best low-profile mechanical keyboards in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Redragon K589 Shrapnel RGB. The low-profile design provides the most precision you expect from original mechanical switches with a 30% lower key height, enable you to react faster to situations and enemies in games. 1.4mm Redragon mechanical red switches reduce the travel distance and clicky noise, but keeps the same signature durability and accuracy. Endless lighting effects and modes can be customized and chosen to roll your own lighting show, keep it lighted in your way or turn it off at ease anytime. The ergonomic design with a solid frame and adjustable stand allows you to type all day and play all night with less fatigue. Matte coating material leaves no fingerprints and waterproof form keeps the water and dust away. You can use the software to make some unique macros on your keys. Complex and cool combo can be activated with just only one click. The fourth product on the list is the CORSAIR K70 RGB MK.2 RAPIDFIRE. The CORSAIR K70 RGB MK.2 RAPIDFIRE is a premium mechanical gaming keyboard built to last. Equipped with a lightweight durable aluminum frame and Cherry MX speed key switches, it boasts the reliability and accuracy you demand with blistering fast 1.2mm actuation. Powerful CORSAIR ICUE software enables sophisticated macro programming, vivid dynamic multicolor illumination, and full system lighting synchronization. With 8 MB of dedicated onboard memory and hardware playback, you can take all your settings with you. A host of extras put your PC at your fingertips, with USB pass-through, dedicated multimedia controls, a detachable soft-touch wrist rest and textured FPS and MOBA keycaps, making it easy to play your way and minimize interruptions. The third product on the list is the Logitech G815 RGB. G815 packs advanced gaming technologies into a ultra-thin and sophisticated design. Fully customizable per key, LightSync RGB technology also reacts to in-game action, audio and screen color as you choose. With a sleek, impossibly thin yet durable and sturdy design, G815 features high-performance low-profile GL switches available in click, tactile or linear experience. Programmable G-keys let you create and execute complex actions simply and intuitively, and the volume wheel and media keys give you fast, easy control over video, audio, and streaming. G815 also features a USB pass-through to quickly plug in a flash drive or another device to charge. The second product on the list is the HAVIT 87 key. Powered by G815 low-profile blue switch, the revolutionary HVKB390L low-profile mechanical keyboard provides only 22.5mm of thickness. A thinner keyboard does not only mean it is more portable and more lightweight, it also means it takes less time and effort to press a key, thus make you react faster in game and in everyday business. With the latest G815 blue switch, the HVKB390L low-profile mechanical keyboard comes with a thickness of only 0.89 inch, which is more than 25% thinner than a standard 104-key keyboard. The first product on the list is the CoolerMaster SK621. The SK630 mechanical keyboard is a slim keyboard with all the signature CoolerMaster features like on-the-fly controls and RGB backlighting, but it adds Cherry MX low-profile switches in a clutter-free tankless format. A reduced travel and actuation distance with extra flat keycaps means you get all the precision and durability of a mechanical keyboard with the slim stylings of a minimalist chiclet keyboard. Add in a refined brushed aluminum housing and understated LED light bars, and you have a keyboard that looks as good as it performs. You can map 16.7 million colors to any key, customize lighting modes, and fine-tune macros. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.